bus.
I can't get my car started. Can you check it? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Drag the machine to check it out. Drag the machine. The problems have all been identified. Let's start fixing. The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack it. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. Press and hold the oil gun to fill up the tank. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. Now let's wipe away the water stains on the car. Wow, the car is so clean now. Great, it's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Thanks for fixing my car. You are awesome. Kids, follow the rules when driving. Be sure to stop when pedestrians walk on zebra crossing.